URALLA terraces, designed by Corben Architects and masterfully built by Jasta Constructions, are nestled in the heart of Crow's Nest and Naremburn villages. Bespoke finishes and sustainable design offer the perfect residence for your family into the future. Surrounded by beautiful bushland, pristine waterways and iconic landmarks, Crow's Nest is a short 10-minute drive into the city of Sydney. This full brick construction with luxury finishes offers the best of modern living, only a stone's throw from the heart of Crow's Nest. Bespoke kitchen and high-end appliances complement premium timber, tile and carpet flooring, as well as superior fixtures and bathroom finishes. Positioned close to the harbour, URALLA terraces offer a range of nearby amenities. Why not go for a dip in a harbourside pool, followed by an afternoon of relaxed shopping and coffee?
It offers a lot. It offers a diverse range of cafes, restaurants and eateries. Whether you're popping out for a morning coffee, you want to catch up with some friends for lunch, or just a nice intimate dinner, there are so many restaurant and cafe options available.
The perfect day on the harbour is within an easy reach, with sailing clubs only moments away. URALLA terraces are proving to be Crow's Nest's most desired address, a crafted home with a touch of luxury. URALLA terraces offer a lifestyle like no other.